Some of us were built with premium parts, top-shelf equipment, a powerful mouth, a sharp mind, awesome wit, colorful reasoning, words that can build houses or burn them down in one sentence, thoughts that can build or thoughts that can utterly destroy. The problem was never the parts. The problem is the wiring. The problem is how the parts are used, what they are used for. You've got a mouth that can inspire, negotiate, heal, teach, and lead. But when the wiring is off, that same mouth short-circuits relationships, opportunities, and futures. Not because it's weak, because it's powerful and misused. Parts vary. Parts can be your mouth, your eyes, your nose, your brain, and so on. Think about it. A microphone in the hands of a singer can move millions. In the hands of someone careless, it just screeches. Same mic, different wiring. Your mouth is the microphone to your life. Your mind is the control board. And when the wiring is faulty, emotions hijack logic, impulse overrides wisdom, and reaction pretends to be honesty. So you speak before you think. You vent instead of articulate. You cut instead of communicate. And later you wonder why things blew up. Excellent parts, bad wiring. Did you hear me? Excellent parts, bad wiring. The fix isn't silence. The fix is alignment. Rewire the mind so the mouth follows purpose, not mood. Pause long enough for intention to catch up with emotion. Upgrade the internal system so what comes out of you actually serves you. Because once the wiring is right, the parts perform the way they were designed to. Your words start opening doors instead of slamming them. Your voice becomes a tool, not a weapon. Your mouth stops being a liability and starts becoming an asset. You don't need new parts. You need better wiring. And once that happens, everything you say starts working for you instead of against you. Watch your wiring kit is taken at face value. Pull the curtain, see what moves, and let the mind evolve. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button and share with other curtain keepers.